Administrator Cumono, no, I was really surprised, and witness ko po dito si Miss Ople, no. The day before or few days before yung nangyari sa Hong Kong, nakuha na ng cocaine. May press con po kami, may forum kami sa Max, no, sa Circle. Sinabi ko na yon, bakit napakarami na drugs na nakakalusot, pero bakit po ang bala hindi? 'Di ba? And eto, may dala akong 2.5 kilos eh. So ito po ang equivalent ng 2.5 kilos. Flour lang po to, hindi to po okay. Ayan po, okay. I'm a licensed firearm holder and I'm authorized to also carry 50 bullets. So isa lang to. So I'm not violating the law. No? So ito po ang isang bala. Can you open it up? So anyway, Administrator, bakit po sa laki ng ginagastos ng gobyerno at sa hirap ng dinadama ng OFWs na nagiging drug mules, marami po to hindi lang lahat na report sa amin po, pastor pa sa tsinelas tinago, hindi niya alam na drugs yon nandun. So ito po yung bala, ang daming case na nakikita, ito po yung equivalent ng 2.5 kilos ng cocaine, hindi nakikita. Anong explanation po nun?
Una po, yung expertise po ng aming screener is really para po doon sa sa listahan ng prohibited items, including po yung yung explosives. Ngayon po, pag nakita mo po kasi sa X-ray yan, hindi niya po sinasabi kung yan ay explosive or other substance. Ang sinasabi lang po ng ating X-ray, which is a single view po, is it's an organic substance, inorganic substance, or mixture po. The other,
iba po ba ang inyong X-ray sa X-ray ng Bureau of Customs?
Hindi ko po alam yung sa Bureau of
Okay,
Customs.
can you go to the next slide, please? The slide number 11. Number 11, yung sa Bureau of Customs. Ayan po kasi sa website ng Bureau of Customs, pati hidden drugs kita. So, bakit naman po yung X-ray nila? Mas bago po yung sa inyo, bagong bili po yung sa inyo, di ba? I saw some press release that nag-upgrade kayo sa NAIA ng X-ray machines.
Hindi po kami yung bumibili ng X-ray machine sa NAIA po.
Yeah, but it was delivered there, no? Hindi opisina nyo, but delivered. So, bakit yung sa BOC na X-ray machines, and can you go to one slide up, yung sa, Rappler said the same thing, no? New X-ray machines boost NAIA revenue collection. Capability, jewelry, luxury, designer bags, foreign currencies, and even prohibited drugs. Do you mean to tell me now na kailangan pa namin himayin pag may budget? Ano yung X-ray machine ng OTS? Ano X-ray machine ng BOC? Hindi ba dapat yung X-ray machine nyo, kita rin kung may prohibited drugs? Doesn't that affect the safety of passengers then?
Ang pinagbabatayan po namin, Your Honor, as far as yung prohibited items, entering po, yung entry dun sa loob ng aircraft, ang pinagbabatayan po namin dito yung listahan na binigay ng ICAO.
Yes, but you're not limited to that. I read the executive order. You can add to that list, hindi ba?
Opo.
So halimbawa, kung sa view mo dapat ang nail cutter or ang lighter hindi dapat, pwede mo idagdag sa listahan, makikita sa ano po 'yon, sa X-ray.
Again po, ang pinagbabatayan po namin even yung Swiss knife.
Yes.
Yung still po, yung ano po 'yon, yung
But I don't know, sir, kung sa iyo to, kung kay Secretary Abaya, kung kay General Manager Honrado, pero hindi nyo nakikita yung problema. Hindi nyo nakikita na kung hindi pa nagkaroon ng tanimbala, hindi pa nila makikita na pag ganitong cocaine makakalusot, eto hindi. Samantalang ang BOC, sinasabi nila, meron naman silang X-ray machine. Kasi, paano kung halimbawa, sige, na-solve natin tanimbala, kung tanim shabu naman ang gagawin ngayon? It's the same effect. You will have Mr. Whites here, you will have Nanay Glorias here, you will have Lolo Santiago's here, but instead of the bala, Ito ang sinasabing ilagay. Mas madali lang ilagay yung bala, but I can put 50 grams, 10 grams of shabu in a small plastic. Madali din iipit. Yun, sir, no? So, hindi ko, sir, sinasabi na any one of you here are doing this. I know you're trying to solve the problem, no? But that's the main point of all of this. Why did it turn out to be a national scandal? Can't we go out of this room, some of you announcing something here, that this will stop today? And if any of you are like Mr. Lane White, any of you are like Nanay Gloria, eto ang tawagan mo number. Ang number na nagbigay dito, sir, I'll just finish it, si Justice Acosta, ang problema, defensive pa rin eh. If you call Justice Acosta, a case will be filed pa rin against you. Can you not instruct the PNP Aviation Group that upon investigation at nalaman nyo na walang intent to possess, walang laman yan, etc. yan, do not file the case. Get her or him on the plane. You have all the computers, all the background, etc. For the last 60 days, hindi nyo binago. You still continue, and then sa media, you keep saying, kasi anting-anting, kasi sila. So, ang dating po sa mga pasahero na pupunta doon, pag may nakita sa amin, pagpipilitan ng opisyal na kami amin yon at anting-anting yon. You know? We have to give the passengers assurance. Wala kayong dalang bala, may makita dyan, pero we accept your explanation. Hindi namin kayo kakasuhan. Can we give that assurance to them today? Or, sabihin, pag may nakitang bala sa inyo, sorry sir, sa piskal na kayo magpaliwanag. Can we give that, sir, today?
In fact, Your Honor, pinag-uusapan po nga yun, sinabi po ni Secretary Abaya, as far as NCASI is concerned, para lang po na maintindihan natin, ano, at yung tama po yung sinasabi ninyo, pag na-detect nga po itong item na to, tapos po pwede naman palang hindi na. Kasi ang sinasabi, yun nga po, sinasabi nga lang po namin, baka naman pwede yung discretion, na hindi, wala namang intent to possess.
Sinabi na nga po ni Justice Acosta ng Supreme Court pag walang intent to possess, so all the ABSECOM has to do is that if their investigation finds, I'll demonstrate it to you right now. So ano yung dala mo niyang folder ba yan? Pwedeng sir, dalin mo sa akin. I-demonstrate ko lang sa inyo, sir, ha? Para lang malinaw at matapos natin to today.